911. Әлем халықтарының бәрінде бар бұл нөмір бәрімізге белгілі шығар. Кез келген келеңсіз оқиға кезінде біз міндетті түрде 911 сияқты нөмірлерге хабарласатын шығармыз. Ал енді сіз осы нөмірге келген өте қорқынышты қоңыраулар туралы білесіз бе? Сәлем достар, бұл Скаврон арнасы және бүгінгі видеомыз 911 нөміріне келген ең қорқынышты қоңыраулар туралы болмақ. Әрине бұл туралы видеоларды ағылшын тілді, орыс тілді YouTube каналдарында кезіктірген шығарсыз. Арнайы сіздер үшін біз сіздерге қазақша нұсқасын дайындадық, ал сіз лайкпен қолдай отырыңыз. Назарларыңызға әртүрлі Android ойындарына Let's Play түсіретін жас арнаны ұсынамын. Android'тағы кез келген ойынға немесе қосымшаға Let's Play'ді сіз Image.kz арнасынан кезіктіре аласыз. Жазылуды ұмытпаңыз.
What are you reporting?
We got someone or something crawling around out here.
Did you see what it was? Was it a person or an animal or?
I can't tell. All I know is that my central light came on and I just happened to glimpse and see this thing running across the yard. A good-sized man or something. It looks like a man. I don't know what it was. Just that it ran across the yard.
Okay. You've had problems in the neighborhood before?
Yeah, my dog was killed here just recently. I don't know what it was. Whatever it is, it's running. I couldn't catch it if I was going to chase it. But whatever it was standing up. I'm out here looking through the window now and I don't see anything. I don't want to go outside. Jesus Christ, you better...
Sure.
Dia!
Hello?
Get somebody out here.
What's going on now, sir?
That son of a bitch is about 6'9", I don't know.
Do you see him now, sir?
Yes, I'm looking right at him.
Uh-oh. Okay, hang on.
He's right...
Is he in your yard, sir?
Yeah, God, he's big.
Okay, what's he doing in your yard?
He's looking at me.
Oh, and the guy is on foot.
I don't know what... It's a big... real big person. That's all I can say.
Okay, but it is a person.
Yeah, I'd say it was a person, somebody really big. But he's all in black.
Is he a black male or a white male? Did you actually see whether, or was he just wearing black?
He's all black and he's big. He is big.
Where's your emergency?
I don't know.
Can you tell me your name, sir?
What's the name? I don't...
Sir, I need you to tell me your name. Can you tell me where you are, sir? I need you to help me so I can send you help.
Help? No one can help.
Sir? Sir? Hello? Sir? Are you there? I'm trying to gather your position as best I can, but you have to help me.
What?
Yes? Go on, sir. You were...
I was... David.
Your name is David? Okay. David, what is your last name? 2119. What's your 20?
I'm coming up on Richmond and Main, 300 block.
10-4. Be advised we are closing in on an emergency near your 20. Stand by.
Roger.
David, please speak to me. Tell me where you are. Help is coming.
David, open up the door.
David, what's happening? Speak to me.
Oh my God, David. Jesus, David.
Hi. Yeah, I'm there's this guy just like standing outside my window. He's just like looking up at the window. He's been there for about 30 minutes now. And he's male, maybe about, I don't know, maybe about 30, I guess. I can't tell. Yeah. It's in alley. My address is street. Yeah. Yeah, and he's just, he's been there for like 30 minutes and I don't know what to do. Yeah, so if you head down alley, right off of, you should be able to run right into him. I mean, he's basically right in the middle of the road. Yeah. Okay.
Сонымен видеомыз соңына жетті. Егер осы видеоға 1500 лайк жиналатын болса, біз сіздер үшін екінші бөлімін дайындайтын боламыз. Және де біздің ВК парақшамызға тіркеліп кетіңіз.